5 ones are 5, but over here I have 9, right? So what I will do, I will subtract 5 from this 9, right? So 9 minus 5 ones are 5, so I will subtract 5 from this 9. I will get what? 4, right? So this 4 will be carried over here, and I will get what? 42. Now 5 multiplied by something which gives me number closer to 42. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. Yes, which is closer to 42. So I'll write 8 over here. 5 8s are 40, and what is given over here? 42. So 42 पहले से था. 5 8s I got 40. So I'll subtract that 40 from this 42, and I'll get what? I'll get 2. This 2 will be carried over here, and I'll get 25. Then 5 के टेबल में 25 कभी आता है? 5 5s are 25, right? So I'll get 5 over here because 5 5s are 25. See, if you are not clear with this, you can also divide it. 525 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. So 4 over here. Now 4 cannot be divided by 5, right? So what I will do, I will bring another number, that is 2 down. So I get 42. 5 8s are 40. 42 minus 40 gives me 2. This 5 I have brought it down, I got 25. So 5 5s are 25. And I get 0 over here, subtracting 25 minus 25. So this is what I get, 185, and that is what I have written over here. So if you are not clear with direct division, you can also go with the division that you have learned at lower standards. So I got 185 over here. Then again, is this divisible by 2? Not possible, right? So 5 के साथ 5 end में है, तो I can divide it by 5. Let us divide it by 5. So again मैं 5 के साथ इसको divide करूँगी. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. 15 is closer to 18, right? So 5 threes are 15. But over here I have 18. So 18 minus 15, which gives me 3, right? So ये 3 जो है वो मैं ये 3 5 के आगे लिख दूँगी, 35. So 5 multiplied by something which gives me 35. 5 7s are 35. So 5 7s are 35. So I will write 7 over here, right? So I got 37. अब मुझे 37 तो मिल गया. Now I have to find such a number which I can divide it by, which can be divided by 37 to give me a natural number, right? That is the divisor for this number. 7 plus 3 gives me 10, right? So it is not possible to divide it by 3 or 9. 3 और 9 के साथ पॉसिबल नहीं है, बिकॉज 3 के टेबल में ना तो 10 आता है ना तो 9 के टेबल में 10 आता है. Is it possible to divide it by 2? No, because for dividing it by 2 I need even number at the end, but I have odd number over here. Is it possible to divide it by 7? 7 5s are 35 and not 37. So it is not possible by 7 even. 8 not possible, 9 not possible, 10 not possible, 11 7 8 9 10, right? 11 not even possible. 11 is also not possible. So what? 12 no. 13 not possible. So what I can say, this number is a prime number. It will be divisible by itself only. So 37 ones are 37. So what are the factors for this number? That is 925. It is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 37. Now we will start with the sixth question. The number is what? 715. Same like previous question. So I'll write 715 inside the factorization bracket. Now tell me, can I divide 715 by 2? No, because what divisibility of 2 says, I need even numbers at the end. Is 5 even number? No, so it cannot be divided by 2. Then what about 3? Can it be divided by 3? 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 7 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So the 715, the entire number 715 is also not divisible by 3. Then can it be divisible by 4? No, because over here at the units place I need even number for 4 also. So it is not divisible by 4. I can divide it by 5. Why 5? Because test of divisibility by 5 says I need 0 or 5 at the end. And I have 5 at the end. So I can say that it is divisible by 5. So let us divide 715 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 6, 7. So 2 over here. 7 minus 5 gives me 2. So 2 over here. So I get 21 over here. So 5 such a number multiplied by 5, that gives me number closer to 21. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20, which is closer to 21. So I can say 4. 5 4s are 20, and over here I have 21. So 21 minus 20 gives me 1. And this 5, when I bring it down, it gives me 15. So 15, I require 15 over here. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So I get 15 over here and 3 over here. Now what I get? 1, 4 and 3. I have to find such a number that is divisible by such a number that 143 is divisible by that number. Means I need a divisor for 143 or a factor for 143. Such a number which is divisible by 143. So tell me यहाँ पे क्या ऐसा नंबर आएगा जिससे मैं 143 को डिवाइड करने के बाद नेचुरल नंबर मिल सके. Means 143 divided by that number gives me a natural number. Then I can say that it is a divisor for 143. So this number, can it be 2? No, because even number at the end, and I don't have even number at the end. Then can it be 3? 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8. It is not possible. When you go on now, you won't find any number except 13. Let us check by 13. 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13, but over here I have 14, so 14 minus 13 1, and 13 1s are 13, so 11. So that 11 is a natural number, right? So 143 can be divided by 13, so I can say that 13. When I divide 143 by 13, inside the factorization bracket I'll get 11. 11 is again a prime number. प्राइम नंबर को खुद से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं या तो 1 से. 1 is not allowed, so I'll divide it by 11 itself. So I'll get 1 over here. That is what I want, right? 1 in the remainder. So this 5, 13 and 11 are the factors for this number 715. So I'll write 5 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 11. So these are the factors for 715. Now what about 6426? Again, this number inside the factorization bracket. As I have even number at the end, I'll try to divide it by 2. So I'll divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. I have already explained you how it done, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now I have this number. Let us see whether it is divisible by 2. No, because even number at the end, and I have odd number, that is 3 at the end. So it is not possible for me to divide it by 2. Then what? 3, is it possible? So 3 plus 3 6, 7 8 9. Yes, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So this entire number 3213 will also be divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 3. So when I divide it by 3, I'll get what? 3 1s are 3. 2 over here, 2 is smaller than 3, so I cannot divide, right? So I'll put a 0 over here. So 3 zeros are 0 and 21. Then I'll take 2 numbers. After writing 0 now, you can take 2 numbers. So I'll take 21. 7 3s are 21 or 3 7s are 21. I need 21, right? So I'll take 3 7s are 21. So 7 over here. Then 3 is left, so 3 1s are 3. That is how I got 1071. That you can do by division method also. When you divide 3 2 1 3 by 3, you will get 1071 in the question. And that I have written over here. Then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. That 9. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. So I can divide it by 3, right? Because 9 is divisible by 3. Then this entire number, that is 1071, will also be divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 3. 3 3s are 9, but over here 10. So I'll write 1 over here. 17. The closer number to 17 is what? 3 5s are 15. 15 is closer to 17. So I can write 5 over here. But over here I have 17. But I got what? 3 5s are 15. So 15 and 17. When I subtract 15 from 17, I get 2. So that 2 I'll write it over here. 21. Now 7 3s are 21. So 3 7s are 21. So I can write 7 over here. Can you see? So I got what? 3 5 7. 3057. 357. Again, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. So this entire number 357 will also be divisible by 3. So let us divide it by 3. 3 ones are 3. 5 over here, which is not possible. So I will take the lowest possible, the closest number to 5, that is 3. So 3 ones are 3. But 3 आया 5 नहीं, तो 3 और 5 का difference, that is how much? 2. That 2 I will bring it over here. So 27. Then 3 nines are 27. So 9. Now I got 119. Right? 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. Is it possible to divide it by 3? 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So it is not possible for me to divide 119 by 3. Then 4 not possible, 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 7. Let us divide it by 7. Divide by 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, which gives me 4. 7 ones are 7. Over here I have 11. So 11 minus 7 gives me what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. So 4 over here. So 49. 7 के table में 49 आता है. 7 7s are 49, right? So I get 7 over here. So it is divisible by what? 7. So I'll divide it by 7. After dividing it by 7, I'll get the answer as what? 17. So that 17 I'll write it over here. 17 we all know is what? Prime number. So उसको खुद के साथ ही divide करना पड़ेगा. So I'll divide it by 17 and I'll get 1. So these are all the possible factors for this number, that is 6426, right? The answer for this is what? The answer for this is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, right? 3 times 3, 1 time 2, then multiplied by 7 and multiplied by 17. So this is the answer for 6426. All the possible prime factors, the lowest prime factors for 6426. Moving on further to our last question for this exercise is what? 8569. Same, I'll copy down the question. 8569 in the factorization bracket. Now it is not possible for me to divide it by 2. It is not possible to divide it by 4 because 2 and 4, what is the condition? Even number at the end, and 9 is not an even number. So it is not possible for me to divide 8569 by 2 or 4. Then what is the option left? 3. Let us check. 8 plus 5 gives me how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Gives me 30. And this 6 plus 9. 9 के बाद 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Gives me 15. Adding this both, I get 5 plus 3, 8, 28. This is 28 is not possible. 28 is not divisible by 3. So this entire number is also not divisible by 3. Then another option. It is not even divisible by 9 because 28 is not divisible by 9. So this entire number will also not be divisible by 9. Let us check by 11. So these are alternate numbers, right? 6 and 8, 5 and 9. So let us add them. 6 plus 8 gives me how much? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gives me 14. So 6 plus 8 gives me 14. And how much? 9 plus 5? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I get 14. When I subtract 14 by 14, the answer I get is 0. And what does the test of divisibility by 11 says? After subtracting the sum of the alternate numbers, if I get 0 or any number divisible by 11, then that number will be divisible by 11. So I get 0, right? So means this number is divisible by 11. So let us divide it by 11. 7, right? Because for 8, if I take 8, it will be 88. So सबसे closest number to 85 is what? Smallest closest number is 7, which is 77. So let us subtract 77 from 85. That gives me how much? 3 plus 5, which gives me 8, right? So 8. 8, I am writing it over here. I got 86. Again 86. 11 8 is 88, which is greater than 86. Not possible. So I'll take what? 7 again. Which gives me how much? 9 over here. So 99. 11 9s are 99. So I can write 9 over here. So I get what? 7 7 9. Now look at this number 7 7 and 9. Is it possible for me to divide it by 2? No, because even number at the end. So no, it is not possible for me to divide it by 2. What about 3? 7 plus 7 gives me 14. 14 plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 and 1. So 23. 23 is not possible. 23 is not divisible by 3. So this entire number 779 is also not possible to be, for me to divide it by 3. 4 not possible because even number. 5 not possible because 0 or 5 I need at the end. And I have 9 over here. So what about 11 again? 9 plus 7 gives me how much? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16. So 16. 16 minus 7 gives me how much? 9. It is not possible for me to divide it by 9 also because 9 is not a multiple of 11. 11 के बाद 11 के टेबल में 9 नहीं आता, राइट? So 11 से भी पॉसिबल नहीं है. So और कौन से नंबर से पॉसिबल है?